In this video, you'll learn how to fix a frozen and unresponsive Pixel 5. By following these steps, you will be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. The first action to take is to force restart your device, press and hold the power button located on the right side of the Pixel 5 for about 20 to 30 seconds. Continue holding the button until the Google logo appears on the screen. This action forces your Pixel 5 to restart and is often the quickest solution for resolving freezing issues. It is important not to release the button too early, as a full restart is necessary for this process to work. Once your device is restarted, check if any applications are causing the issue. Navigate to your home screen and review the apps you've installed recently. If you identify any apps that may be problematic, consider uninstalling them. Additionally, ensure that your device has sufficient storage space available. Low storage can lead to performance issues and freezing problems. To check this, go to Settings, then select Storage. If storage is low, consider removing unnecessary files or apps to optimize performance. Next, it is essential to check for any software updates, as these can fix bugs and improve overall device stability. Open the Settings app from your home screen, scroll down and tap on System, then select System Update. Your device will check for any available updates. If updates are found, follow the prompts to install them. After the installation is complete, it is advisable to restart your device. This ensures that all changes take effect and can resolve lingering issues. After completing these steps, monitor your Pixel 5 to see if the freezing problem has been resolved. If the device continues to freeze or remain unresponsive, further troubleshooting may be necessary, such as performing a factory reset or seeking assistance from customer support. These actions should help improve the performance and responsiveness of your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.